How do we develop a plan to achieve those goals? And well, first thing we recommend is at least look at a food record, even if it's one day. This helps you visualize what you're eating and what you're doing. Just write down everything you eat for one day, and 1 or 3 days is best so we can look at patterns. But at least one day to kind of see how much, and when you eat. That kind of can help figure out where we need to start working on some habits to help you reach your goals. And we want to look at short-term goals. List one habit. If there's one thing that you can do tomorrow, and if you did that for 2 months, and how would that change the impact of what you're trying to accomplish? Let's say that you're trying to maybe gain weight and build muscle, but you're skipping breakfast. Well, skipping breakfast is a huge goal, because if you're skipping breakfast and your first meal is not until lunch, you're probably going 16 hours without eating. It's going to be very difficult to gain weight by skipping breakfast as an athlete. So maybe your first goal is eat breakfast every morning until we can get a good balanced breakfast that reach your calorie goals. Maybe you need to bring snacks with you to school. Maybe it's cutting back on sugar in the diet. So these are just some examples to help you do that. And then we want to track that. We want to kind of get an idea of how has this impacted your outcome. Has it changed your body fat? Has your weight changed? Do you have more energy at practice? Do you feel your recovery has improved based on some of the goals and habits you've practiced?